Alright guys, so this is my '06 Nissan Titan. I bought this online in the auto auction. It came out to $2,000 tax and delivery. So the whole thing's taken apart because this car had a lot of gadgets that nowadays are obsolete. Back in the days, this car was a nice truck. Whoever had this truck had a real nice setup. So I came across this. I did not know what that was until I went on YouTube. And it turns out it's like an alarm system where it shuts the car off and you cannot turn it on again. The alarm goes off and all that. And it did not bring the remote with it. Even if it did, I wouldn't want it. The bad thing about this was it was well hidden. It was right behind the odometer, right? And not only that, they tapped into the main power, main harness, wire harness. There's nothing going to the fuse box as I thought there was, because I looked for a YouTube video on how to install it so I could reverse engineer it. And now I am going to do all that. So I need both hands to do this, so I'll come back once I'm done. Alright. So there's a relay right here that I all talked about. And right here, you see where they all came in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove everything, take all the tape off, put all these wires back together, then I'm going to solder them all together, and then I'm just going to follow all the line wherever they go and keep pulling them out until the system is out. Right now the truck won't start because of this, but once I'm done with it, let's hope it starts. Okay, so finally got rid of the harness, turn the car on, car is running. All this wire, they were tapped into. This wire right here, they were spliced. So now I'm going to solder them back together and then tape them up. That should do the trick. Alright folks, so everything is back together again. I solder, you have the heat shrink there that I'm going to be adjusting in a minute. So far everything works fine now. Next, get rid of the rest of the wire. Follow through, see where they all end up, where they go. So that's it for today's video. Next video coming up, once I put everything back together again, put the new radio, put everything in, then take out the seats, clean the rugs, give the new interior inside.